I'm going to make Paneer and Ghia Kofta. So to begin with, I have 1 pound Paneer already shredded, and I have one medium size vegetable marrow. I already shredded also. So just do this like that. You see the water coming out. I'm gonna just squeeze that water. I add in the end if I need it, because it's watery. So this is done. There you go. That's how it look like. And I put that away. So I take this, just squeeze this water. So I'm making the balls first and I'm gonna fry them. So I squeeze the water here. I'm gonna add in here.
It looks like cucumbers.
No, it's a vegetable marrow.
Oh.
Yes, it's Ghia, called Ghia in Hindi. So you can buy that at any store, and Paneer you can buy that at any store. So that's that, and I keep this water. So if I need this, I use that after. I'm gonna add some spice in here. 1/2 teaspoon salt to taste, and garam masala, and chilies, little bit chilies, carom seeds. 1 teaspoon I have dry methi, which called as fenugreek leaves. So I add that in here. So I'm gonna add 1 cup besan with chickpeas flour. So I'm gonna mix that. Mix all the ingredients together.
Healthy.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna fry. You can cook this in upper pan, right, on the stove. But today I'm going to fry this because it makes it softer, right?
Yeah.
When you cook on upper pan, it makes it a little bit hard. Oh. I can put just a little bit of water, not a whole lot. Making the balls, small balls. All mixed well. Here you go. Perfect. So I just make the balls like that. You can make a round, or you can make a little bit like this, whatever shape you wish. So I make them like this. Fry them, put them in here one at a time. A little bit slow.
Bubbly.
Yeah. Another about 30 seconds. There you go. I'm gonna put it on the paper towel. Let the oil soak on the paper towel. Done. I'm gonna take them out. They are deep fried, and I have my pot on. I'm gonna put about 1 tablespoon of oil, because they're deep fried, so I don't want to put too much. Let it warm up. And I have 1 small cinnamon stick. Put that, and the curry leaves. So I have about 6 cloves garlic in pieces, 2 green chilies, ginger, and 2 small onions chopped. So I'm gonna cook all this together. And a quarter cup cashews. I already made a puree, so I'm gonna adding this after. Then I add cumin seed, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, my spice rack. Cook this well. Down a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna add the spices. Just like quarter teaspoon chili because these are very spicy and I already have 2 green chilies in here. Turmeric, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, and like a quarter teaspoon is fenugreek powder, salt to taste, and garam masala 1 teaspoon, a little bit more, quarter teaspoon cumin seed powder, and about 1 teaspoon coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon fenugreek powder. So the leaves powder. That's done. Mix it. Now I'm gonna add this tomato and cashew. After cooking all the onions, garlic and everything, so I grind it, made it like a puree. So I'm gonna cook this 1 and 5 minutes. I add couple of cups of water in here. So I'm gonna cook it, let it boil, and then I'm gonna add the sauce. So there you go. Our sauce is ready, and I'm just gonna pour top of the kofta. I didn't make it too thick sauce, it's thick enough, and so I'm going to just pour on the top. That the kofta is ready. And there will be very soft then. There you go. Our kofta is ready. So there you go, kofta is ready. And she's gonna come and taste it. There you go. There you go. This is the kofta. It's very hot. Soft, yeah, very soft. So after you add in them in the sauce, don't cook it because then they're gonna break. Right? So this is just like one piece. It's very hot. Careful. I'm gonna taste it too. Very good. Yeah. So good, so tasty. Please, if you like my video, remember to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye for now.